Hello, today I will provide you with some information about an interesting feature of desert climates. Why is rain rare in deserts? The first reason is the high temperatures and low humidity levels in deserts. These conditions hinder the formation of rain. For rain to occur, water needs to evaporate and reach the sky, which is more challenging in desert climates. The second reason is that winds and high-pressure systems cause moisture to move away from the desert. As a result, rain is quite rare in deserts, though extremely rare in history. There have some short periods when rain fell in deserts.